All right, guys, this video, what we're going to do is we're going to tell you how to switch exponential functions into logarithms, okay? This first one tells us that we have 16 equals 4 raised to the second power. So this 4, I underlined it because that's our base, right? When we write a logarithm, you also have a base, and those bases are going to be the same. So when I say log base something, the base I'm going to use is the same base as my exponent. So log base 4, and these have of a number equals a number. And for those two, these are going to switch the side they are on, all right? Here, the 4 was with the 2 originally, so now that's going to be on the opposite side of our equal sign, and we're going to say log base 4 of the 16, all right? 16 comes to the other side of the equal sign, and the 2 is what's left over here, all right? So log base 4 of 16 equals 2 is the same thing as 16 equals 4 squared. Right? What about number 2? This says x to the third equals 7. Well, our base is the x, so we can say log base x, and then the 3 and the 7 switch. Log base x of 7 equals 3. And the last one is e raised to the 2.2 equals y. E is that number your teacher told you about, remember? So we'll work with it in a second, but it's still a base. So we're going to say log base e, and then switch the y and the 2.2 of y equals 2.2. And log base e, if you remember, is actually just the natural log, or ln. Is how it might look in your calculator. So natural log of y, no base when you have the natural log, it doesn't need one, equals 2.2, and that is it. All right, so that's how you switch from an exponential function into a logarithmic function. Hey, if this was helpful, this video might be also helpful because it switches it the other way. Check it out.